The Soundcore P20i Wireless Earbuds deliver powerful sound with deep bass in a compact, lightweight design. Stable Bluetooth and a portable charging case make them perfect for everyday listening anywhere. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Soundcore P20i Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. How to wear. Choose the comfortable ear tips. Wear it in ear and adjust to a comfortable position. Please put the right and left headphones on the correct ear. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. First, connect the adapter to a power outlet. Then plug the USB-C cable into the adapter and connect the other end to the USB-C port. When the LED light turns on, it means the device is charging. How to pair. To connect the earbuds to an Android device, open the Bluetooth settings on the device. Then press and hold the touch areas on both earbuds for about 3 to 4 seconds until they enter pairing mode. If you're wearing them, you'll hear a sound prompt confirming they're ready to pair. Smart features? Large 10mm drivers deliver deep, punchy bass with clear mids and detailed highs. Enjoy rich, immersive sound that makes music, videos, and calls more engaging. Up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge and 30 hours with the case. A quick 10-minute charge gives about 2 hours of listening on the go. Dual microphones with AI technology isolate your voice for clearer calls. Background noise is reduced, making conversations crisp and easy to hear. Provides fast pairing and a strong, stable connection for uninterrupted music and calls. Enjoy smooth streaming with minimal dropouts, even at a distance from your device. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Soundcore P20i Wireless Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore P20i Wireless Earbuds. See you at the next one.